Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in Australia. This is the second leg of his three-nation tour.
As he met his Australian counterpart, Anthony Albanese, at a business forum, and they are now scheduled to hold bilateral talks later in the day.
Key agreements are expected to be finalized, including uranium exports to India. Now, ahead of this, Prime Minister Modi is attending the India-Australia CEO Forum and Economic Roadmap Business Reception in Melbourne. The business engagements aim to further boost trade, investment and economic cooperation between India and Australia.
हॉल में भारत और ऑस्ट्रेलिया की बिजनेस पावर और बिजनेस एम्बिशन के दर्शन एक साथ हो रहे हैं। आप सबकी यहां उपस्थिति हमारे शेयर्ड कॉन्फिडेंस और शेयर्ड एस्पिरेशंस का प्रतीक है। आज दुनिया अनसर्टेनिटी, सप्लाई चेन डिसरप्शन और एनर्जी क्राइसिस के दौर से गुजर रही है। ऐसे समय में भारत और ऑस्ट्रेलिया का नेचुरल और ट्रस्टेड पार्टनर के रूप में आगे बढ़ना।
The bilateral talks with Prime Minister Albanese will take place at the Government House. The leaders are expected to discuss ways to strengthen cooperation in critical minerals, trade, defense and security cooperation. According to reports, an agreement on uranium exports to India could also be finalized. India and Australia signed a civil nuclear cooperation agreement in 2014, but uranium exports have remained limited due to safeguards to ensure the fuel is used only for peaceful purposes, including energy generation.
On Wednesday, upon his arrival in Melbourne, Prime Minister Modi received a rousing welcome from the Indian diaspora. A large number of community members gathered to welcome the Prime Minister, chanting slogans.
The cultural reception also featured a Kathak performance which drew praise from Prime Minister Modi.